The moral story is about a big brother. Abdullah had loving parents and a younger sister, Abir. But he always felt that his parents loved Abir more than him. It was Abir's first day at school, and their mother asked Abdullah to carry a bag as it was quite heavy. But this made Abdullah very angry. Abdullah looked in a bad mood when he came back from school, and he complained to his parents, "Both of you love Abir more than me." Mr. Shoaib, Abdullah's father, replied politely, "Abir is younger, so she needs more care. But we love you both equally. In fact, we need your help to take care of her as an elder brother." Abdullah realized his mistake and promised his parents that from now on he will always take care of his younger sister and will not get jealous of her. The moral of the story is never get jealous of your brothers or sisters. Until next story, take care and bye bye.